Have you ever wondered if that Beam transaction you just made, or are about to make, can truly disappear without a trace? In a world increasingly focused on digital privacy, the promise of untraceable cryptocurrency transactions sounds like a dream come true for many. But is it too good to be true? When we talk about cryptocurrencies, most people immediately think of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are fantastic innovations, but they operate on public ledgers. Every transaction, every wallet address, every movement of funds is recorded on the blockchain for anyone to see. While your name isn't explicitly tied to your wallet address, sophisticated analysis can often link addresses to real-world identities, especially when funds move through exchanges or interact with services requiring Know Your Customer (KYC) verification. So, if you're looking for true financial privacy, traditional cryptocurrencies often fall short. This is where privacy coins like Beam enter the picture. Beam is built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which is specifically designed to enhance privacy and scalability. Unlike Bitcoin's transparent ledger, Mimblewimble compacts transaction data, obscuring the sender, receiver, and even the amount of a transaction. It does this through a clever cryptographic technique called confidential transactions and cut-through, making it incredibly difficult to trace individual transactions. So, back to our core question, can a Beam wallet be traced to another account? The short answer, from a technical standpoint and within the Beam network itself, is no, not directly. The very design of Beam makes it incredibly challenging, if not practically impossible, to link a Beam wallet to another specific Beam wallet or to an external account through the blockchain data alone. Here's why. Imagine you send Beam from wallet A to wallet B. On the Beam blockchain, you won't see wallet A sent X Beam to wallet B. Instead, you'll see a collection of inputs and outputs that are mathematically proven to balance, but without revealing who sent what to whom. The Mimblewimble protocol cuts through intermediate transactions, meaning only the final state of the unspent transaction outputs is recorded. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone observing the chain to follow the flow of funds. However, it's crucial to understand the nuances. While the on-chain traceability of Beam is exceptionally low, real-world factors can introduce potential vulnerabilities to anonymity. For instance, if you acquire your Beam from a centralized exchange that requires KYC, that exchange will have a record of your purchase and the Beam address you withdrew to. If you then send that Beam to another service that also requires KYC, a link could be formed off-chain through those centralized entities. Similarly, if you publicly associate your Beam wallet address with your identity, perhaps on social media or a forum, you've voluntarily compromised your own privacy. Or, if you use Beam to pay for goods or services and the recipient knows your identity, that's another point of potential linkage. The privacy provided by Beam is powerful, but it's not a magic bullet that makes you invisible to every possible real-world investigation. Think of it like using cash. If you use cash to buy something from a street vendor, it's virtually untraceable. But if you deposit a large sum of cash into a bank account that's tied to your identity, the trail can then be picked up by financial institutions. Beam offers a similar level of on-chain privacy to physical cash transactions. The developers of Beam are committed to maintaining and improving this privacy. They continuously work on cryptographic advancements and protocol enhancements to ensure that the network remains as private and secure as possible. The goal is to provide users with the financial freedom and privacy they deserve in the digital age, without the constant surveillance that can be associated with traditional financial systems or even other cryptocurrencies. So, while directly tracing a Beam wallet to another account on the Beam blockchain is not feasible due to its inherent privacy design, users should always be mindful of their off-chain activities and how they interact with centralized services. True financial privacy is a combination of robust technology and responsible user behavior. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.